Guys, I wanted to make a quick video on AMD stock, right? So AMD is looking like it wants to break out of this downtrend. If you guys see my previous videos, I told you guys that AMC was in the downtrend, right? And how do we know that this downtrend was valid? Because AMD kept coming up and pushing off of this off our downtrend line, right? So it came up, pushed off, came up, pushed off, came up, came up, came up, pushed off, came up, pushed off. So it's not able to get above our trend line, and now it appears that it has gotten above our trend line, right? So I'm looking for AMD stock, guys, to possibly come back down and most likely bounce off our trend line, right? So if AMD stock can come back down and back test our trend line here, or even this level of support around the trend line of about $100, then I would be looking for this stock to make a move upward. At that point, that's where I would be looking to get in kind of heavily on some calls and most likely some shares. Now, I already bought some shares back when it came close to hitting the $100 mark recently. And well, I think it did actually. And I bought some calls around there, and then now I'm just waiting for confirmation that the stock wants to make a move upward. And then at that point, I will be buying some calls, right? I've made a lot of money on calls and also puts with the bear market, but definitely will be looking for this to confirm that it wants to move to the bullish side, and then I will be buying some calls and some more shares. I wanted to keep this one brief, guys. The RSI is indicating oversold. So usually when it's oversold, you see a move to the upside, which we are seeing. Volume was really great today. You know, the average is 66 million, and we were trading at around 97 million. So volume was great. Now, we do know that, well, I know that they have earnings tomorrow. So this could be just some hype from earnings, right? So you guys got to watch this and play it carefully, because sometimes, like as you guys know, Tesla recently had earnings, and what happened with Tesla was they had great earnings, but the problem was that they said, hey, we are having issues, supply chain issues, and we're having you know, chip shortage issues and all this stuff. So when they came out and said that, then the stock started to kind of, not, I wouldn't say plummet, but it took a dip, right? And so people, sometimes you're scratching your head, why is it dipping? Well, and they had good earnings. Well, it's because of that, guys. So, something like that is very possible that can happen with AMD stock. I'm still bullish on AMD. I just think it's a great company overall, and I definitely want to have something like AMD in my portfolio because of, we use chips for everything, right? So I will just be looking to add some more to the AMD. And yeah, like I said, some things are starting to develop here that I like, that I want to see. I want to wait for confirmation though. And yeah, but the stock is up today, guys. It is up. It ended up trading at $114.25, up $9 today. So up almost 9%, up 8.5%. And then even in the after hours, it was up $1.33, up 1.6%. So so the stock is looking good. It's looking juicy, prime for earnings. So hopefully it has good earnings, and then the stock shows me what I need to see tomorrow or the following day. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but and then I will be looking to enter into a bigger position. But that's pretty much all I had for you guys today. One last thing is that it's still trading below the 20-day, 50-day, and 100-day moving average. So I do want to see the stock kind of come up and maybe possibly test the 100-day moving average right here. Sorry, the 20-day moving average, and that's at like 127, I believe. So if it does make that move up, that would probably be the first level of resistance that we would have. But like always, I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, bye-bye.